Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix Watchdog Violation error. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to go into our search bar and then search for Device Manager. After that, click on Open. So what we're going to do is to update our SSD driver into the latest version. So what we're going to do is to look for the disk drives right here. So click the drop down button. And then what we're going to do is to right click on it. And then we're going to click on update driver. And then click search automatically for drivers. After that, just click on close once it has been successfully installed. And then after that, what we're going to do next is to go into our search bar and then search for CMD. And then make sure that you run it as administrator. After that, just type chkdsk space c colon space /f space /r and then just click on enter. After that, you will see this warning right here. So we're going to type Y and then after that, just click on enter. And then once you restart your PC or laptop, the volume will be checked the next time the system starts. So all you have to do is to just go here on the Windows icon and then restart your PC. And then after that, Windows will now automatically look for the problem and then fix it. So that is basically it.